What happens when someone completes L&D? Do they get promoted? Do they get a raise? Do they get a gold star? Like, what is, again, the purpose of someone continually improving themselves at your organization? What do they get from that? How do you keep track of continuous growth, mobility of people, and pay adjustments? Because you want to understand really what's happening in your organization and how you can keep, this sort of in line with, I want to say equality, but I think that's the wrong word, but you know what I mean? We want to make sure that we're doing the right thing across the board. The third question that I want you guys to keep in mind are we focusing on education attainment or skills attainment or both, right? But like, what is it that is important in your organization as we're going through the L&D process? And then the fourth question that tends to be overlooked is, do we know what skills our people currently have? What skills they're gaining, what skills are actually transferable to what roles, and what training gaps we're trying to fill. Because a lot of this is extremely important to understand. Many times I talked about earlier how people feel undervalued. Many times they don't feel seen. And in order to see them, it's really important to understand who they are and sort of what makes them unique. And in terms of skills that are transferable, a lot of times we don't necessarily understand things that don't have a direct linkage.